Today we'll show you how to create an AI-powered app that captures images and extracts text from them. We'll do it without writing any code in just minutes. This app can help your business by digitizing important paper documents for easy archiving, extracting key information from receipts for quick financial tracking, and automating the extraction of contact information from business cards. We are going to do this using Glide, a no-code platform that allows you to create powerful mobile and web applications from your existing data sources. Glide makes it easy to design, build, and share apps without writing any code, enabling anyone to create functional and visually appealing apps in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the app. First, let's create a new app in Glide. From the dashboard, click on the Create an App button and choose Blank App. Next, we need to set up our data source. We'll use a Glide table to store our images and then for the extracted text. From the data editor, create a new table and add the first two columns, one for the file name and another called Image URL to store the link of the images. In the next step, we'll add a column to extract text automatically using AI. Step 2. Converting images to text with AI. Next, let's use AI to turn the images into text. We are going to add some data to show how this works. In the next few steps, we'll teach you how easy it is to capture and store images. From the same data editor, click on the plus button to add another column. Look for the AI functions and choose Image to Text. Now select the Image URL column as the source for the Image to Text feature, and under the Instructions field, let's tell AI to recognize and extract text from the uploaded image. This column will automatically show the transcription of your images using AI. For our next steps, we'll show you how to build the interface to capture images directly from your app and visualize the files and extracted text. Step 3. Adding components. Go to the Layout editor by clicking the button at the top of the screen. From here, we can start building our UI. Let's add some components to our app. First, let's add a list component to display our images and the extracted text. You can choose what data to show on this component using the menu on the right. For this case, let's show the file name and extracted text columns. We can also enable users to add more items to this list. Just go to the Options tab and toggle the option on. This will enable a plus button. If your users click on it, it will open a form screen from where you can submit data to your table. Let's add an image capture component to this form that will allow you to capture images, turn them into a file, and store them online directly in your table. Just select the column where you want to store the file. In this case, let's select the Image URL column. Let's also add a text input component so your users can add a name to the images and differentiate them. To store these values, select the file name column as the destination on the Setup menu. Lastly, let's add some components to display the images and the extracted text. To do so, let's click on one of the entries of the list. This will open the Detail screen. Here, any component you add is going to be shown for each entry of the list. Let's add an image component and select the Image URL as the source for the file. With this, users can view the image file directly within the app. Now, to display the transcription, you could use a text or hint component. Just select the transcription column as the source. You can always add more components to enhance the UI of your app. In the next step, we'll show you even more customization options to make your app look more on-brand. Step 4. Customization. Adding your brand elements to your Glide apps is pretty simple. Go to the Settings menu at the top right of the builder. Here, you will find options to add an app icon, select an accent color, the type of layout, theme, and more. You can use this to match your business brand. You can also easily customize your privacy settings if you want to restrict access to your app. To deploy it, just click on the Publish button and share the link with your team. The app will work on any device. From here, you can even connect it to a custom domain. And that's it. Now your users can capture images and see the extracted text right away. This makes it easy to digitize important paper documents, extract key information from receipts and invoices, and automate the extraction of contact information from business cards. If you want to learn more about what else is possible with Glide, check our channel for more content. Create your own app for free today at glideapps.com and start building AI-powered software without code.